So MiniMax H3 model is out and I have created this amazing 2D motion graphic storytelling video of a 15 seconds using that model. Please have a look.
Ever wonder why cold or fear makes your skin prickle like this? Tiny muscles called erector pili yank your hairs upright. A leftover trick from when our furry ancestors puffed up to look bigger or trap warmth.
Alright, this video is looking so amazing that it consistently maintained the character throughout the 15 seconds. It have all the sound effects and dialogues are in place. And one amazing thing is every text is crystal clear without any deflection and it is generated in a 2K quality. So using this MiniMax H3 model inside MiniMax Hub, you can generate 3 videos of a 15 seconds long absolutely free. Today I am going to tell you how to create such kind of storytelling videos of a motion graphics inside a MiniMax Hub. But before we go ahead, please don't forget to subscribe my channel as most of you see my video but don't subscribe it. So please subscribe my channel and let's have a look. Hey, hi everyone, welcome to AI Motion Director, and this week MiniMax has come up with its new model called MiniMax H3. This model has come up with the different features such as native multimodal generation, precise multimodal editing and product ready content creation. So right now I am inside Hello AI website and as you can see there is a banner of MiniMax H3 is live. Let's see what are the different features it is showing. So over here on the MiniMax website, you can check all the details about S3 model, that what exactly new features it has coming up with. So I'm just going to show you the high level features, video generation that we can give any video reference, image reference and audio, and it will create an output by referring all of them. Also another features which is a 2K performance. So every video is crystal clear with the 2K quality, movie title, film opening titles. This is also one of my favorite film opening titles. Alright, so this is looking pretty cool, which is a great option for a motion graphics and a storytelling part. Also, it creates around 15 seconds of an output with a character consistency and overall storytelling approach. It is telling me that download MiniMax Hub and get 2000 free credits to start creating. Alright, so I have downloaded this MiniMax Hub. You can see it is showing some of the use cases for MiniMax H3. So this one is also here. So in a use cases, they are showing just a video. So I'm curious how exactly I can create that. And the wonderful thing about it over here is it is giving me a prompt as well, what exactly prompt they have used for this. So as you can see, it is not a complete prompt, but we will get an idea how exactly we can create these kind of a movie titles as well. So I'm going to utilize this kind of a prompt. You can also see that 15 seconds 2K settings are there. With the help of that, it is created. So right now I'm going to refer this prompt and create a motion graphic video with some 2D animation. Let's see how it will come. I will give this prompt as a reference to Claude and then going to generate prompt for my video. So right now, as you can see, I am in a Claude and I'm going to give reference of that prompt. Okay. And then I will enter the topic later on. Right now, it is asking me for a topic to generate a complete prompt. So I'm going to write down a topic. Why we get goosebumps. Okay, this will be my topic. Alright, so complete prompt is generated with all the text and every information about the motion graphic. So I'm going to copy this prompt and let's go back and let's try to generate a video. So I will create a node. I'm going to paste prompt over here. I'm not going to attach any reference because I really wanted to see the power of MiniMax S3, how it will visualize and what kind of output it will give me. So here S3 model is already selected. Okay, I'm going to select the 16:9, 2K and generation will be 15 seconds. Okay, with audio. Okay, so everything is set. I'm going to hit generate. So let's see what exactly it will generate. Alright, so this video is generated right now. Let's see how it will look.
Ever wonder why cold or fear makes your skin prickle like this? Tiny muscles called erector pili yank your hairs upright. A leftover trick from when our furry ancestors puffed up to look bigger or trap warmth.
Wow, this is so amazing. As you can see, every text is crystal clear. The overall video quality is 2K. So it is looking very high definition video. Also, every background music and effect is already there. So this is creating 15 seconds end-to-end video with the consistent characters and all the transition in place. So this is amazing. Okay, this is the overall look and many more to explore as well. So inside MiniMax Hub, I can create a skill for this kind of a videos as well and generate in a similar quality. So if you want me to create next video on a similar topic, especially how to develop a skill or how to create such kind of a videos using MiniMax or some other tool as well, please let me know in the comments. And also please subscribe to my channel. Till the time, see you in the next video. Thank you.